My name is Wiley Watts. I have been flying aircraft all of my adult life, everything from helicopters to Boeing 747s. My main passion is antique, classic, and warbird aircraft, so I started a company to put together buyers and sellers of these aircraft. Welcome to Rare Birds. Today, my coworker Amanda and I are on our way to Pine Mountain Lake, California, to inspect a 1931 Waco QDC.
It is 55 degrees outside. Smooth ride today.
You could be a weather woman, Amanda.
I always wanted to.
Yeah.
I have been to Pine Mountain Lake Airport before, and it is a beautiful place to live. They have their own runway, horse stable, lake, and golf course. It's located in the foothills of the beautiful Sierra Mountains.
You're going to do the interview. We want them to like you. The more they like us, the more likely they are to take us for a flight in the airplane. We can find out a lot more about the health of the airplane when we fly it, obviously.
Okay.
Hey, Amanda, do you have any mints?
Yeah.
Those mints? I love those mints.
Me too. Oh, I only have one left.
Oh, I just need one. Thanks. Perfect.
He's always borrowing my mints. Sometimes I dream about choking him.
As we descend into Pine Mountain Airport for landing, I'm anxious to meet the Buckners, and I'm hoping that the aircraft is as pristine as it was represented to us. Walking into the Buckners hangar was like walking into a museum. They had a great collection of cars and airplanes. After a while, Amanda sat down with the Buckners and got to know a little bit about them and their beautiful Waco aircraft.
So you told me, you mentioned that you were able to see all the past owners. And you were going down the list, and what did you find?
My dad was the third owner.
Your dad was the third owner, and that's how you found out.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day to see if this Waco actually flies as good as it looks. Previously, Amanda let me know how she felt about flying in this aircraft.
By the way, Wiley, I am not flying in an 86-year-old Waco.
Oh, great.
So I'm thinking, why don't we try 280
Okay.
and see their initial reaction?
His standing offer right now is $280,000 for your 1931 Waco.
Seems a little low.
Amanda, I told you that I don't drink alcohol, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Then why did I have to haul you home last year from the hangar Christmas party?
That was because some prankster spiked the children's fruit punch.
Amanda, hey listen, flying in a 74-year-old airplane across the Atlantic Ocean is just not safe, okay? You can't do it.
Oh yeah? Watch me.